Welcome back. Now with Windows 10, you can capture and record live video on your personal computer. And in order to do that, you're going to use the Camera app. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the search bar. You're then going to type in Camera. You're going to click on the trusted Microsoft Store app. That's going to open up your camera settings. Now presently, the lens to the camera is closed, so you will not be able to see what it's actually recording. However, the camera is functional. If you have a USB camera and you have one on your personal computer, you can actually change those cameras by clicking this button. To work with the settings on the camera, you can go to this gear, and you'll be able to control what the camera is actually going to show as it records your webcam. If you want to take a snapshot, you can click this camera button. And in order to start the video, all you'll need to do is to click this button that says Take Video. And then once the video is complete, you can then click this red button. That'll stop taking the video. Your recording will then be present inside of the directory This PC, Pictures, and then Camera Roll, and you'll be able to then see the video in MP4 format. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.